I just got the call from upstairs. It's time to go, but I wanted to show you. X and Y are in, calibrated, mounted, and working as they should. I've got my limit switches. I was determining how to mount them and things of that nature. So I'll be working towards the limit switches tomorrow so that I can set up my end stops and I won't crash. And that will also allow me to do a home and then also create a home position, whether it's center or off center or wherever it is. I can create a home and then say, all right, now calibrate and go home. And then it will calibrate end stops and then it'll go where I tell it. And then we'll be able to program. It seems that I left my other computer upstairs, which has the program for the part. So I'm gonna have to send that to myself and figure that part out. But we're home free now. It's on here. It's quite rigid. I've adjusted all the pieces and I've checked. I have some run out. I got about a 0.005 millimeter run out in each of the axes. I'm living with that. My God, if anybody sees that on anything I make, I'll be shocked, okay? All right, gang, here we are. Talk to you later. Bye.